I'm sure you've heard the news. Amazon FBA is the gateway to financial independence, and we've got the perfect guide for you. Introducing FBA in a Box, the ultimate Amazon business course designed specifically for women and mums. Whether you're juggling family responsibilities or looking for a flexible work arrangement, this course has got you covered. With step-by-step guidance, expert support, and proven strategies, FBA in a Box offers everything you need to start and grow your Amazon FBA business. Led by experienced instructor Grace, you'll get invaluable insights and personalized support to navigate the complexities of Amazon FBA. Listen to what our students are saying. This course gave me the confidence to prep my goods and handle shipping. I learned how to check the buy box. It's a game changer. Grace made complex topics simple and actionable. Every module was incredible. Our curriculum covers all essential aspects: product research and analysis, global sourcing, listing optimization, pricing, inventory management, marketing, and order fulfillment. Plus, you'll gain access to a vibrant online community for ongoing coaching and support. So what are you waiting for? Join FBA in a Box today and transform your dream of starting an Amazon FBA business into a reality. Learn, grow, and succeed with us. Your Amazon business journey starts here. Guarantee to have your products in Amazon warehouse within 30 days or your money back. This course is for action takers and those wanting to establish a consistent income business. Enroll today and take control of your future.